it's Renee from Craving the Curls Rolled Ice Cream, and today we're doing something super fun at the ice cream shop. We have a culinary program from one of the local high schools coming in. There's about 20 something of the students, and there's a couple teachers and a bus driver, and they're coming in today on a culinary field trip, and they're gonna roll ice cream. So they've been to the local community college here to visit their culinary program, then they've been out to lunch, and then they're coming to get ice cream. And what's so fun is the kids are gonna get to go behind the line one by one and roll their own ice cream. We're gonna do just a quick tutorial to show them how to do it, and then they get to roll. And it's always fun when we do this because the kids think that rolling ice cream is no big deal. They watch us do it, it look, super smooth. But when they get behind the line, it turns out a little differently. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna record what's going on at the shop and show it to you. And in fact, I think I hear their bus pulling up now. So I'm gonna go. Craving the Curls is launching a YouTube channel, and so you all are going to be on YouTube. So say hey. Hey. So you're Ashley?
I am.
Tell me who you are and who's with you.
I'm Ashley Woodruff, the culinary teacher at McCracken County High School, and these are 20 of my Culinary 2 students.
What did you think about rolling your own ice cream?
It was a little more difficult than I thought it would be, but it was actually really fun to do, and I would definitely do it again.
All right, cool, thank you. So tell me, how was rolling ice cream?
A little bit hard.
Harder than you thought?
A little bit.
Yeah? Was it colder than you thought?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Of course.
All right, let's see what we got here. Okay.
I'm almost gone, so.
You enjoyed it? It's
Of
gone.
course.
Almost gone. All right. So, are you nervous?
Yes, I am very nervous. My heart is pounding right now.
You can do it, you can do it. All right.
Oh, you made this look really hard. I made this look really hard. This is not hard. This is a breeze. Come on now. Oh, that
Hey, did somebody just
There we go.
I messed up. Whoa, that was a lot of kids, and we had a good time. They came barreling in here, about 20 something of them. I heard the school bus coming up the street. I heard the commotion. I was ready for them, and they all came in and checked out the menu and knew exactly what they wanted. Then we got to work. So the kids went back in twos and rolled their ice cream Some kids did great, some kids not so great. There were a couple kids that didn't want to give it a try, and then a couple teachers that said, heck no, we're not doing that. But the teacher who runs the culinary arts program at the high school did give it a try. She was the last one of the day to go, and she did fantastic. The kids loved seeing her give it a shot, and she did really well until that last roll. It kind of fell apart. But everybody had a good time. I hope you had a good time kind of seeing behind the scenes. And I love days like this because we get to be involved with the community, with the local schools. We have in the past actually hired some kids that are in the culinary arts program at the high schools. So it's kind of a really good situation for everybody involved. The kids left saying this was the best field trip they had ever been on. And I agree, they were a really fun group today. So again, I hope you enjoyed seeing the behind the scenes at Craving the Curls. See you next time.